Welcome back, fellow racing enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of sim racing and sharing some valuable tips for beginners. Whether you're a motorsport enthusiast or looking for a thrilling gaming experience, this video will help you get started and improve your skills. So, let's buckle up and get ready to hit the virtual track. As a beginner, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of sim racing. Begin by adjusting your driving position, ensuring you're comfortable and have a clear view of the screen and controls. Pay attention to your pedal inputs, gradually applying pressure for smooth acceleration and braking. Steering in sim racing requires precision and smoothness. Practice steering inputs by smoothly rotating the wheel, keeping your movements consistent and avoiding abrupt turns. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence, but remember to maintain control and stay within the limits of the car. Understanding the racing line is essential for competitive sim racing. Study the ideal line for each track, which maximizes speed and minimizes distance. Practice different lines, experimenting with braking points and apexes to find the fastest and most efficient way through corners. Consistently refining your racing line will give you a significant advantage on the virtual track. Becoming a proficient sim racer requires dedication and practice. Regularly challenge yourself by participating in online races or time trials to improve your skills. Analyze your performances, identify areas for improvement, and work on them systematically. Consistency and perseverance will ultimately lead to progress and success. And that wraps up our sim racing tips for beginners. Remember to start with the basics, master your steering technique, optimize your settings, learn the racing line, and most importantly, practice consistently. Now, it's time to hit the virtual track and showcase your skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting racing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy racing!